A van loaded with explosive pulls up at the hotel's security post. The gunmen fire on the guards. They drive on and then detonate their truckload of explosives. The aftermath of an attack on the luxury hotel in Peshawar. The concrete slabs of the hotel floors have collapsed. Bodies are still being removed from the building. Investigators are combing through the debris. The militants struck during the night. Their target, the Pearl Continental Hotel, popular with foreigners, a key meeting place for the city's elite.
We were offering our prayers when firing started, and everybody began shouting, "The terrorists are here!" Then all of a sudden there was a loud blast.
Rescue efforts are still underway hours after the explosion at night at the PC Hotel here in the city of Peshawar. So powerful was that explosion that it is said to have tossed the vehicles several meters into the air, some of them that can be seen behind me. No one has yet claimed responsibility for this attack, but suspicions are high that the Pakistani Taliban may have done it. Peshawar is the gateway to the tribal areas, where the country's army is fighting against Taliban forces.
The government can safeguard the people. If it can fight against India and other countries, it can easily defeat a handful of terrorists.
It's the 7th bomb attack in Peshawar since the military campaign started in the northwest frontier province. From Peshawar, aid workers traveled to the camps holding hundreds of thousands of people who fled from the fighting.
Many colleagues have been added to our ranks in response to this huge humanitarian relief issue. And Alexander, for example, who perished last night, he had just come as an additional person.
This bomb blast brings the battle against the Taliban close to those who are trying to help the 2 million people it's displaced. Kamal Haider, Al Jazeera, Peshawar.